Starting off with our skincare, we're going to be using this bentonite Indian healing clay, and this is a must for my maintenance because this stuff is like a miracle in a jar, y'all. Whenever I use this, if I have a pimple, dark spots, whatever is going on with my skin, the issue, if it's not completely gone within 24 hours, it is significantly decreased, and that is not an exaggeration. So, because I have been ignoring my skin, I'm going to start off with using this homemade DIY mask. You just mix the clay, it comes like in a powdered form. You mix it with a little bit of warm water, put it on your face, let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, and then I will wash this off in the shower and also wash my hair. So now that we're out of the shower, I'm just going to apply my toner first. This toner helps to minimize your pores, balance the moisture within your skin. It doesn't make the skin stripped or dry at all, which I have dry skin, so this is perfect for me. Then I will apply the eye cream. Remember to use your ring finger because it won't do as much damage or stretching to your under eye, which, you know, your girl is in her 30s, so she has to keep track of that. So I'm just putting this all over to help moisturize the eye area. And then when I finish, I will go in with my Aveeno moisturizer, which is perfect for me because I also have sensitive skin. So I'm just trying to get all the moisture I possibly can while not irritating my skin at the same time. So the skin is done. I am feeling moisturized and refreshed, and let's move on to the next step. As I said before, I washed my hair in the shower and I'm doing my retwist routine. Y'all have seen this already, but if you have not, the link will be in the description box showing my full wash and retwist routine from beginning to end, showing the shampoo process and everything afterward. So I'm just retwisting my hair and throwing it in some ponytails to let it dry overnight. so that my roots set within the retwist. And yeah. Now we are moving on to lashes. I am a complete beginner when it comes to lashes, but I felt like I would be able to do these clusters at home, and they were super, super easy to use. I didn't need to use a lot of them because I like to do the more natural look for my lashes. These, I got done with these pretty quickly. And yeah, so I'm just going through and applying these. I'm sorry for the angle. I could not for the life of me figure out how to record this properly to show y'all how I apply them because I used my phone. I had the ring light. It was just a whole lot of going on. But this is not a tutorial, so I hope y'all don't get too mad at me. But I'm just showing myself just doing all of my little maintenance processes. Alright, so the lashes are done. I'm just combing through them with a little spoolie brush. And yeah, that's it. It was really simple. I think I got this done in 30 minutes or less. Very subtle, very natural looking lashes, which I love. Just gives me a little bit of extra oomph to my natural look. All right, and lastly are the nails. I am doing the Gel X method with these full cover tips. Again, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing what I do at home to do my maintenance routine. Partly because I am using my phone and I just need to figure out different setups and get my angles correct when filming this type of content. So yeah, I'm just showing myself going through the process of getting these nails on, painting the nails, filing, shaping, all that good stuff. So yeah. are finished. This is how they came out. I use this really pretty pink color. I am in love. All right, y'all, and this is the next day, so I'm just finishing off my hair. This was Super Bowl Sunday, so me and my boyfriend were about to head out to the little Super Bowl party slash gathering we were going to. So I'm just taking these ponytails out that I let my hair dry in. They did leave a little bit of an indentation in my hair, but that will fall out as the hours go by. I just wanted to come back and show the finished product after doing all of the maintenance tasks together. So yeah, I'm just going to throw my hair up in this little half up, half down style. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any other things that you all want to see from me as far as maintenance or any other videos that involve self-improvement, just feel free to drop those in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share the videos if you like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.